In this video, I will show you how to swap SUI to Solana on Phantom Wallet. So let's get right into the video. Now first of all, you need to click on the swap icon in the bottom of the screen. And now from here, you need to click on You Receive. And now from here, just search up Solana. And now you just need to click on this one. And now once you did that, you need to click on You Pay. And now from here, you just need to search up SUI. But as you can see, for me it doesn't show up. And this is because I currently don't own any. But if you do, it will show up from here. And now once you did that, you just need to fill in the amount and then finally click on the swap icon. And that's it for this video.